everyone, my name is Shaina, I'm a physical therapist. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a continuation of vertigo and BPPV exercises. If you would like to see the detailed exercise, then I've put down the link of the previous video in the description. In this session, I'm going to demonstrate the Epley Maneuver. It is a simple step-by-step guide to relieve vertigo. It will reposition the tiny crystals in your inner ear. Make sure you're in a safe space, you follow along carefully, and let's get started. The first step is you're going to lie down on your back and place the pillow below your upper back so that your neck is extended at least 20 to 30 degrees. Now turn your neck towards 45-degree angle. I'm demonstrating towards my right side as if my right side is affected. Now when you're in this position, you're going to stay here for at least 45 to 60 seconds. If you have BPPV, you might feel nystagmus. You will have sudden eye movement and your eyeballs will go right and left. Usually 60 seconds. When your 60 seconds are done, you're going to move your neck towards your left side, 90-degree angle. Stay in this position for at least 30 to 60 seconds. Breathe naturally. You can use the timer or you can ask someone to track the timing for you. Now you're going to move towards your left side. Now from here, you're going to bend your neck towards 45-degree angle as if you're looking down to the floor. Hold there for 30 to 60 seconds. You might feel dizzy, but this will get better. After 60 seconds, you're going to sit straight. Stay in this position for another 30 to 60 seconds. Breathe naturally and relax. Two things that you have to keep in mind while performing this maneuver. Number one, don't change your neck position suddenly. Wait for 30 to 60 seconds because what we are trying to do with the crystal which is there in your inner ear, we're trying to settle it down and reposition it. If you change your neck before 60 seconds and before your dizziness goes off, then the crystal won't settle down and this maneuver will fail. Secondly, make sure your neck position is in the right angle. When it is set 45-degree angle, make sure your neck is at 45 degree and it's not at 30 or 90 degree because the crystal won't move along and the maneuver will fail. I hope you feel better with these exercises and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.